Health Tech Hatch is an online mobile resource for healthcare entrepreneurs where they can raise money through crowdfunding. We created Health Tech Hatch to help healthcare entrepreneurs get their ideas into products and the products into the hands of doctors and patients as rapidly as possible.
We see ourselves as opening the floodgates of ideas to the funding community.
I think the most interesting part is the fact that this is such a brand new way of bringing investors and entrepreneurs together. I've been raising money from traditional professional investors for a long, long time, and it's a very sort of unequal kind of playing field. And this really seems to sort of level the playing field and enable people to tell the story the way that they want to tell it and attract people that are interested in the story that they're telling.
Everybody who is an idea person wants to bounce their ideas off of somebody who is the appropriate kind of person to hear it.
An awful lot of funding sources certainly have access to capital. They don't necessarily have access to on-the-ground expertise in healthcare. You know, the nuts and bolts stuff that will make or break a healthcare startup company. These guys have it all across the board.
Most of us have many, many years of very relevant healthcare experience. And many of us also have experience founding companies, raising venture capital and other kinds of money.
We understand the healthcare market and we can help them to reach out to appropriate audiences for crowdfunding.
It's not only about the funding. I think the funding is a really important part of what we do, but I think the community that we're building and the help with testing and the advice that we can provide is something that you're probably not going to get to the same extent on an ongoing basis that you would from traditional investors.
This platform has an opportunity to bring transparency to angel rounds and to early seed stage venture rounds in a way that's never been available before.
In healthcare, you're dealing with people's lives, and I think to be able to actually test it and prove that it works is important, not just for raising money, but also just to help people fine-tune what they're doing. I mean, most of what we're doing it may be based in science, but it's breaking new ground.
These are the ideas that will revolutionize healthcare, not only in this country, but throughout the world. And this is our mission.